another small device in IoTempower. So have you managed to derive a generic rule how to add new devices if you use IoTempower? What are the steps? First, connect to the gateway. Make sure you have a network. That's a very important point. So always first ensure that the network works, which is I would say 90% of the problems in this class have to do with the wrong connectivity. Very important first step. Second, no, you have to find the driver. Yeah, you have to find actually how that works, how you can address this device. So you look in the commands and then you pick it from there. Then you put it in there and then check the wiring. Yeah, so at one point you check the wiring. If it still doesn't work or if the colors are wrong, you check the wiring. You can either kind of rewire with the I/O ports, or you have to do it physically. So you saw here in this example, you could do it too. Did you understand the connection to PWM here with the LEDs? So these 3 ports are actually driven by PWM. So the LED had 4 inputs. So one is voltage, and the others are the I/O ports. So 3 I/O ports in there. And so it's basically red, green, and blue that you can then control with PWM. So you can basically do 255 different brightnesses per color. So you get 265 times 265 times 265. So 2 to the power of 24 different colors that you can set with the use of PWM. Yeah, so basically just via varying the different brightnesses, you get a huge spectrum of colors you can set here. So a very nice application of actually using PWM to achieve. What if we would pick the wrong frequency? What would happen? It would start flickering, exactly. So it's kind of going on and off. So an LED reacts so quickly in terms of going on and off that we can basically fool our eyes that we perceive that as a level of brightness.